morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday. We did not work yesterday, and as you guys remember, we took in the forklift to get serviced. We left it at the shop, and it actually was done the same day at night. So when I got the forklift back, it was around 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon on yesterday. I mean, not yesterday, the day before yesterday. So Tuesday was already blocked off because they wanted to play it safe dispatch, and unfortunately once they block it off, it's hard to get it back onto the route, which they did. It's just there was no delivery, so we did not work on Tuesday. But we're back at it today, and we do have a busy day today. So we got it. I think it's all Ellensburg. I might be wrong. There might be just one that's here locally, but that's what we're gonna do today. Just that, and that's for Ellensburg. And as far as I heard, it's weird how everything works out, because on Tuesday, the one I was not working, I was supposed to go to Ellensburg and deliver a special order up there. But Tuesday when I woke up, it gave me an alert on the winter weather alert on my app that I have for truck drivers, and it showed me that they shut down the passes because there was a lot of snow and ice accumulation overnight, and they did not reopen it till like maybe 9-10 o'clock in the morning. And the time that I was supposed to go through there was about, you know how you guys know that I start about 6 o'clock in the morning. So the time I would have been going through there is about the same time that they had it shut down. So that would have been a nightmare. So you see that things work out for a reason. And now that we're going today, I saw the pass, it's all clean. There's nothing up there as far as the weather reports. But I see the clouds out here. There's some of them that are angry, but it's too dark for me to see still. But I see an outline of a color. I don't know if it's pulling away from us or it's coming this way. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and knock those out, guys. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, we made it. And as you guys can see, no coffee, just my sandwich that my wifey made this morning. Oh man, I see that it is like a cloud type deal, like an angry cloud. I don't know if it's coming this way or going away. Hopefully we'll beat it by then. So we are here, and it looks like our good buddy actually loaded us up. So we'll see what happens. Let me check the truck and inspect it, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, guys, he did load us up. I just got off the phone with our good buddy Louis, so we now I have a better understanding. I thought the rebar belonged to some other customer. Well, initially, yeah, but the rebar is just a delivery by itself, which is okay. It's just, you know, when it's something small rebar wise like that, and it's no more than 3 to 4 inches, then I can strap down safely, because my strap, when it goes down, when I'm strapping down, it leaves like a little way right here in the middle part. So what I'm gonna try to do when I deliver this concrete, I'm gonna put the rebar down, but I'm gonna put it like right on the edge, and that should be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna finish strapping here, guys, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, we're just waiting right here in the front for our good buddy Luis to come and check us out. But we are good to go. We were able to fit all the stops in one shot, so we're gonna try to beat this cloud over here. I wanted to show you guys, but I don't wanna there's logos that you guys can't see. But anywho, and I guess I got another email as well, just to explaining that as long as the logo doesn't show clearly on there, or I don't sponsor them or say something about, you know, sponsor the product or anything, we should be okay. Which I'm just doing my thing, my side of the company, because my boss is okay with it. So I ain't not promoting them, I'm just being myself, and just bringing you guys along what I do every day, my work related stuff. So oh, here comes the good bosses coming in, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, guys. You got the 3 bosses right there that actually They gave me the thumbs up to go, so we're gonna go ahead and start heading out of here soon. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, we are here. We usually offload over there, but there's somebody parked over there right now. So we're gonna go ahead and offload here, and I'm just gonna leave it right here, and they can put it away, because that's how we've been doing it. Okay, so we're gonna need it. Well, actually, I need it down here better, because I'm gonna put the rebar at the edge, and I'm gonna need 2 straps for this bad boy. Alrighty guys, done and done. Strap these bad boys down and on to Eberg. Let me yeah, that's fine.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Alrighty guys, we are done. I'm just gonna take the pictures and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Wow, break time. I don't know why I keep stopping here, but it's a habit now. Every time I go up and over Eberg, I always stop at this rest stop. And as you can see, those clouds look very angry, but we should be done by the time, because I guess the weather changed to either rain or snow, because the clouds are coming this way, and that's Eberg. So I'm gonna get going here, try to beat that on the way back home. It's very windy, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, we are here. We're on the top of the hilltop on the blind uphill. Hopefully it's enough room. Yeah, I think it should be okay. It's not that much traffic coming in and out, but it's gonna be for this neighbor, the one that's over here for the rebar. I'm far enough in the road, probably they could see me and they could see each other, but like I said, it's in the back road, so hopefully everything will be okay. was a tough one. Oh, that almost hurt my shoulder. I've timed it a little bit too much. I almost want to back up and go in there and loop back out, because I need to go back that way. I keep hearing cars everywhere, but there's none around here. Right there. Do you have any questions for me at all?
Pardon me?
Do you have any questions for me at all?
No.
No? Awesome.
Well, I ordered the same time I did this. I ordered some garden fencing, 18-inch tall stuff.
I have no idea. That's all I got. They might have sent it with the other contractor. Did you send it at the same? Did you order at the same time as that did?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's the same
But
order, right?
It was put down. Then I had to go pick it up.
It's probably it's something that probably I can't transport and the other contractor can transport.
Yeah.
So yeah, it varies on what item it is, because we don't transport any fluids, liquids, furniture. But if it's something like a roll of fencing or something like that, then that should have come with me. Yeah.
Well, there was 2 bundles of this stuff.
How small we're talking about? It's like something small I could carry by hand.
There's 10 in a bundle. They're about 18 inches tall.
Yeah, that should have came with me on the pallet. So I don't know what happened. You might want to call them and let them know. Maybe. Alright. As long as you communicate with them, because I don't work for Home Depot. I'm just an independent contractor.
Yeah.
So yeah, just let them know so that way you guys can communicate good.
Yeah.
Are you pretty good with your neighbor right here?
We don't even know them.
You guys don't know him? Because I kind of want to make a U-turn on his thing, come back out the other way. See how it loops around?
They should be okay.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. That's what I'll do. Thank you guys very much, okay?
I don't have to sign nothing?
No signature required. It's just a drop and go type deal.
Oh,
I think you put in the stuff on there if it's okay for us to drop. And if it's okay for us to drop, we don't signature required or anything.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. I could drop it if you want. I mean, it's... Oh, if you want to meet me up? Awesome. Sounds good then, buddy. If you want, I'll give you another call when I'm almost getting ready to go to your location. Okay. Alrighty. Sounds good, buddy. Thank you. Bye. Guys, sorry, I keep forgetting about you guys, but I was just wanted to get out of there. Well, I'm gonna put that in the video. It's very tight turns to get there, but we managed to get out of there. So I'm gonna go over to the next one. I don't know if you guys heard me on the phone, so I'm gonna see what happens. Alrighty guys, we already made it to our other stop. Good morning. Hey, good. Give me like another 5 more minutes so I can get it. It's this pallet right here on this side, right? I'm sorry? Unless you have a question for me or something.
Yeah, let me turn up the brightness. It's that one.
Yeah, that's the one right here. So you want that one over here somewhere, or?
Yeah, if you could get it as close to the
the door?
right side garage door as possible.
Oh, the garage door? Oh, they talk about that
like
door.
as close as you can. If
Okay.
it's not too close, I mean, I'm not going to worry about it. We're just gonna...
Are you gonna use it to come in and out or no?
No, we're going to have, they transformed it into like a bedroom back there, so they don't actually work, but we're just going to haul them into the backyard.
To the backyard? Okay, so I'll put them like, try to put it like in the edge right there towards that side. Is that okay?
As close as you can.
Awesome.
I appreciate it.
And no signature required, so once I'm done, Dad, take the picture, I'm done.
Awesome.
Unless you have a question for me, you let me know, okay?
Awesome.
Thank you. You had a question for me?
Oh, no, I was going to say thank you.
You're welcome.
Safe travels now.
Thank you. Shim shimmy, shim shimmy, shim shim shimmy. Oh, that. Alright guys, we're pretty much done with this one too. I'm just gonna take a picture because these pictures are very, very evident that I've made my delivery and what they got. They can zoom in or not whenever they want to. Alright guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Alrighty guys, we made it to the next one. Easy. It's like 5 minutes away. Good morning.
How you doing?
Good. Let me just get it offloaded. I'll get it close to your truck as I can, okay? So it should be an easy one. If not, just put it sideways. We probably could push it in real quick.
Okay.
Heads up! You guys want to push it from there?
No, that's good.
You good?
Oh yeah, we'll be able to get that.
Yeah. Do you guys want to push it in or?
Push it.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get it out of the way. Awesome. Thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
No signature required or anything. We're pretty much done.
All right.
I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys.
Thank
All
you.
right. I switched it over to this side because I'm able to access it more easier to the driver's side. It's the same customer we've been delivering to last week, the whole week actually. We've been sending like trickling in a little bit stuff at a time. And I already looked at the weather as well. It doesn't look good. Looks like it might be snowing up there already. But we only got one more stop. And hopefully it warms up here a little bit more so that way it doesn't stick. Because if it does stick, then obviously it's gonna be a hell of a time to try to get for us to get over. Because without the weight on the front on this one, all the weight goes in the back and not that much in the traction tires. Even if you chain up, we're still gonna be spinning out. But there is another route that I could take if I really wanted to. I mean, worst case scenario type deal. It's through the back portion. It's the back portion of the mountainside, but I don't want to because that one's very dangerous as well, curve wise. Not up and down the hills, but it's more this. But at least that one will be more safer than spinning out and going down the bottom of the hill from the hilltop on Menashtash. And right now we're gonna exit out this way and go that way because the next stop is over there, like about 15 minutes that way. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, we are here. It looks like they might be going to the back, question mark. Look at my tires, are just dangling over there. That is awesome. I mean, the side is not too soft, so we should be okay. This way. Whereabouts you want it?
Right by the back door. Straight ahead where that pile of twine is.
All right, buddy.
Yeah,
Thank you. All right. At least I got my forklift back, right?
I saw that.
Oh man, that was all grinding. I guess the ball that goes around here that goes up and down,
Yeah.
it broke off.
Oh no.
So that's why I was going like, I was like, what's going on? But I appreciate your patience though. He's got his own little mini excavator. That's awesome. All right, guys. Well, we're pretty much done. Oh, he's excavating over there. We're pretty much done for today. But we're gonna go back and find out if there's any more for us. Because by the time we get back, still be fairly early. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get back to home base. Alright guys, we made it back in town, and we're here filling up. This is where we always fill up at. This truck stop is right here. So we're just gonna get ourselves situated, get the truck ready to go. I already called ahead of time, and then home base told that I'm on my way. And, they might have one for me, but they cannot find the product. So I'm assuming it's probably gonna be a no-go, but we'll still check it out once we get there. Well, other than that, I think we're still gonna get the truck ready. We're gonna fill up the truck, still have some else diesel, then we're gonna fill up the market as well. Just to have it ready. And we'll see how it goes, guys. Okay, so thank you guys very much for tagging along. That made it a lot better for me. I needed you guys today anyways, because I got enough sleep last night. So we'll see how it goes, guys, in a little bit, okay? Alrighty, guys, we are back at home base, and we are done for today. We already checked in with our good buddy Luis, which is over there counting the product that he's gonna do for Friday. But we have nothing else. We had an awesome day. It's getting cold, and we beat the rain. That's the awesome part. We hella beat the rain and the snow. And tomorrow, guess what? We got the big order for all that block that's over there in the back. Obviously, we can only take 3 at a time, so that's what we're gonna do. Tomorrow, all day, just 3 at a time. I'm not gonna bore you guys with it. I'm just gonna show you a couple clips here and there. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys very much for watching my videos, all right? And see you guys in the next one. What's up, buddy?